So this is going to be an unboxing video for True Dual Headpipes from Mid-USA. This is the box you will receive. You can either order these for 99 to 06 or 07 through 16. Alright, so let's cut this open. So when you open the box, this is what you're gonna get. These are your True Dual Headpipes. So down in the corner we have all your installation parts. Heat shield clamps, exhaust clamp, everything you're gonna need to install these. On top, you're gonna have the main pipes. They go on your bike just like this. Front pipe, rear pipe, and then underneath, on the back, this is the crossover. Underneath these pipes is the crossover, which goes on your bike like that. No, like this. 4 bolts on the bottom. Nice chrome. Now, if you order these for the 99 to 06, they're going to come just like this. If you order these for 07 to 16, you're going to have the O2 sensors on here. They won't. 99 to 06 won't have them. This is what you get. So here's a close-up of everything. Packaging. Everything you're going to need. Top of the head pipe. And a better close-up of the crossover. These are still wrapped. I'm not going to unwrap them. That way they don't get any damage, because I'm not going to use these right away. We don't want to get them damaged before somebody else uses them. Or we pull them up for the customer. But you can see what you're getting through the plastic there. Great. Thanks for watching.